How to create Snapchat sound. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So Snapchat does not currently let you create or upload your own custom sounds directly inside the app, but you can add your own sounds to your snaps by following the simple steps. So you can do it by creating or finding your audio or sound using any music or audio app on your phone. Log into your account and also make sure that the application is up to date. Now start recording a video snap. Play your sound loudly nearby so it gets recorded in the video. You can use a third-party video editors like InShot, CapCut, or iMovie to add custom audio to a video before uploading to the Snapchat. And for creators, you can get your sounds on Snapchat Sounds Library. So if you create original music or sounds, you can try submitting them to Snapchat's music partners or distributors. So once approved, your sound can be available to others in Snapchat Sound Library. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.